10 different speeches on Republic Day. Speech number 1. Good morning to my teachers and dear friends. I am Ansh, studying in LKG. Today is a special day called Republic Day. On this day, India became a free and democratic nation. Everyone in the country celebrates Republic Day. People celebrate with a lot of love for their country. Kids eagerly wait for Republic Day in India. Kids join in activities and can get rewards. Republic Day helps us understand how important democracy is. Happy Republic Day, everyone. Jai Hind. Speech number 2. Good morning to my teachers and dear friends. I am Dia, studying in UKG. Today is a Republic Day. It teaches us to be good friends, united and proud. Our brave soldiers and leaders show their strength in a big parade. Each state shares its unique culture in a colorful parade. In schools, we have fun programs to learn about Republic Day. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a wise person, helped make our rules. We thank the brave people who fought for our country's freedom. Let's remember to be proud of our country, India. Jai Hind. Speech number 3. Good morning to my teachers and dear friends. My name is Kabir, studying in class 1. Today is a special day, January 26. It is our Republic Day, like India's birthday. We got a special book called the Constitution. It tells us to be good friends and help each other. India became a big family, a republic. Our flag has 3 colors, orange, white, and green. They mean bravery, peace, and hope. Let's be good friends, help each other, and be proud of India. Jai Hind. Speech number 4. Good morning, my dear friends. I am Arush, studying in class 3. We celebrate Republic Day of India on 26th of January. Republic Day is a national festival of India. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar is the father of the Constitution of India. We all must respect our Constitution. We must respect our freedom and freedom fighters. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Speech number 5. Hello everyone. My name is Sanvi, studying in class 4. Every year on 26th January, India celebrates Republic Day. It's a special day for all of India. In 1950, our Constitution started working on this day. This year, in 2024, it will be the 75th Republic Day. On 26th January, the President raises the flag in New Delhi. The President is a special lady, SMT Draupadi Murmu. There's a big parade at India Gate in New Delhi. Happy Republic Day, everyone. Jai Hind. Speech number 6. Good morning, everyone. I am Pradnya, Studying in LKG. Republic Day is a big celebration in India. We celebrate it because our constitution started working on 26th January 1950. Republic Day reminds us how important the constitution is for all of us. We sing a special song called the National Anthem. Republic Day is a special day off for everyone in India. The whole country joins in the big celebration. Republic Day teaches us to be together and live in peace. Happy Republic Day, everyone. Jai Hind. Speech number 7. Good morning, everyone. I am Durva, studying in UKG. Today is 26th January, Republic Day. Proudly, we raise our national flag and sing our anthem on this day. Special programs on this day inspire us to help others. In New Delhi, our leader, the President, raises the flag and says hello to soldiers. India invites a special friend from another country to see our big celebration. Our President gives medals to brave soldiers. Let's always remember our freedom fighters and what they did for us. Happy Republic Day, everyone. Jai Hind. Speech number 8. Good morning, everyone. Every year on 26th January, Republic Day is observed. In our nation, it is a very significant day. It's a public holiday. It is a day to celebrate our country. Every region of the nation celebrates Republic Day. On Republic Day, there is a large parade in New Delhi, the nation's capital. On this day, India's tricolor national flag is raised. Children are given treats to celebrate their joy. Happy Republic Day, everyone. Jai Hind. Speech number 9. Hello everyone, Happy Republic Day. Today is special because it's the 26th of January. On Republic Day, we all celebrate together. A long time ago, India got its own special rules, and that's why we call it a republic country. Our flag goes up, and we sing a special song called the National Anthem. In the capital city, New Delhi, our leader, the President, raises the flag and says hi to our brave soldiers. We even have a special friend from another country joining our big celebration. Today, we say thank you to our brave soldiers, and the President gives them medals. Let's also remember our heroes who helped us be free. Happy Republic Day, everyone. Jai Hind. Speech number 10. Good morning, everyone. I am Ansh, studying in class 1. Today is 26th January, Republic Day. Schools and colleges celebrate by raising the flag and singing the anthem. We hear patriotic songs on TV and radio all around us. Leaders and soldiers feel proud and raise our flag high. Children adore flags and balloons colored as national flag. The President gives awards to brave soldiers and special people on this day. Using the Constitution was like having a big party for all Indians. Thank you. Jai Hind. Like, share, and subscribe.